creators, marketers, business owners, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you step-to-step tutorial on one of the most powerful agents, that is RightTeam's Lexi agent. So let's jump right in. By the end of the video you will learn how to use Lexi agent step by step. The real benefits it will bring to your workflow, the unique selling points that make it different from other AI tools, and the actual value it provides you in terms of time, money and results. So let's jump right in.
Lexi Agent is RightTeam's personal AI assistant that works across multiple formats: text, image, video and even audio. Instead of juggling 5 different tools, Lexi gives you everything in one single dashboard. You can write blog posts, emails and captions, generate AI images, turn text into videos, create voiceovers and podcasts, and even help you get started with SEO outreach and brainstorming. It's basically like hiring a writer, designer, editor and strategist rolling into one AI-powered teammate. Alright, let's walk through how to use Lexi Agent. Once you're inside the dashboard, you will see a clean interface with all of RightTeam's tools. This opens a chat style window where you can interact with the AI. Here's where the magic happens. You simply type in what you want. For example, write a blog intro about AI in small businesses, generate an Instagram caption for a travel reel, create a YouTube video outline for productivity hack. Lexi gives you an instant response, but here's the best part. You can refine it. Want it more casual, more professional? Just tell Lexi and she adapts instantly. Once you're happy, you can copy, download and even directly repurpose your content into other formats like video or voiceover. And just like that, you have got from idea finished content in minutes and not hours. Now that you have seen Lexi in action, let's talk about the benefits you will notice right away. Massive time savings. Hours of writing, editing and designing are cut down to minutes. Content that sounds human. Unlike many AI tools that feels robotic, Lexi feels natural conversational content. Multi-format output. Blogs, ads, videos, images and podcasts all from one command. Always available. No delays, no freelancers missing deadlines. Lexi works instantly 24/7. Budget friendly. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions or large teams, you get all-in-one functionality for a fraction of the price. So why choose Lexi over other AI tools? Here are the biggest USPs. All-in-one platform. Most AI tools do one thing. Lexi does everything from text to video to audio. Personalization. Lexi adapts to your brand voice. Whether you want funny, professional or inspirational, it nails it. Business-ready features. From cold email personalization to SEO optimized blogs, Lexi is built to grow businesses, not just play around with AI. Team collaboration. Unlike many AI tools, RightTeam allows teams to work together on projects inside one workspace. Ultimately, what matters isn't just the features, it's the value. Here are the real ROI Lexi gives you. Time freedom. Free up hours every week to focus on growth and strategy. Faster growth. More content is equal to more reach, more traffic and more sales. Consistency. No more writer's block. Daily content without the burnout. Confidence. Publish knowing your work is polished, optimized and professional. In short, Lexi isn't just a tool. It's an investment in scaling your business faster and smarter. So here you have it. A full walkthrough of RightTeam's AI Lexi agent. How it works, the benefits, the USPs and incredible value it provides. If you want to try Lexi Agent today, I have linked it down in the description. Trust me, once you experience the time savings, you will never go back to doing content the hard way. Don't forget to like if you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more AI-powered content hacks and drop a comment telling me what task would you want Lexi to handle for you first. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.